Nandiyan na raw ang aming sundo. So let's go! Zambales.
McDonald's Subic. Uy, boss, kayo na naman?
Oh, no!
Saan kayo punta, boss?
Hindi ko na alam.
Naku.
Pagkagising ko, nandito na kami Subic.
Naku.
Takin na. Morning. Uy! Uy!
Good morning.
Uy! Morning! May ligluto. Uy! Grabe naman to, sir. Uy! Grabe naman ang isda, sir. Prito. Probinsya. Ay! Sana side up. Uy! Salamat, brother.
Mission. Manggising ng tropa. Laki na eh.
Maganda yung sa akin. Gusto na malaking doon. Upo lang yung doon sa loob. Boy.
Sige, Nilakot na daw sa loob.
Tol, bad joke naman yan. Bad joke. Wag, tol.
Tabi mo kay Gabi.
Wag.
Joke lang. Dito sa taas.
Wag, tol. Morning.
Say hi to them. You wake them up. Wake them up.
Hi, Prince. Good morning.
Upstairs. Here. Uncle Charles. And Uncle Kalbu. Here. Uncle Kalbu. There you go.
We're here for today. Gang. Paano pong humawak ng mga ganyang baril, sir?
Okay, so muna, yung strap sa kanila. Sabit mo lang dyan. Check mo kung natatamaan. Antay mo. Tapos reload na.
Mahina.
Pero marami.
Oh! Okay na. Oh! Na.
So, Prince, we're in Prince's house. Can you show us where at Prince?
Are you good at science as a kid?
Oo naman. English please! Yes, sir,
We're
Prince.
32%.
Huh? Ano na? What?
32%.
It's
31
okay.
now.
It's okay. You ask questions about his life.
Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a astronaut. You, how about you?
I was asking you.
Huh?
Yeah, no asking him.
Mhm.
You ask more. You ask more.
Next.
Okay, did you climb a tree as a kid?
Ano? What?
Did you climb a tree as
Did
a
you climb
kid?
a tree when you were a kid?
He was a monkey
Yeah.
when he was a kid.
Science!
Ano tayo? What is the basic unit?
Wala pa nun, wala pa nun.
I'll ask you a question.
Elements, stone.
In science,
Oh, periodic
I ask you a
table.
question.
how many colors
I ask
of
you a
rainbow?
question.
Okay, ask the question of in science.
Oh, in science.
What science?
Why eat a watermelon?
Huh?
After that, he got 10.
What?
He got 10 watermelon.
Alright.
And he ate the first 2.
Alright.
And then, how he ate the first 3. And then, what's after that?
I don't know.